narrative video today. The past week wasn't my favorite. Daisy got attacked by the osprey. She's doing good. She still has a little feathers messed up where it got her on her back. Like right where her wings are. Howard is really sick. It's not likely she'll recover this time. She's really having a hard time right now. My child she stopped taking care of herself. She has some sort of reproductive problem. It's pretty common with khaki Campbells because they're bred mainly for eggs. Her and Daffy both have reproductive problems. And gosh, this is just breaking my heart. But she's out walking around. I chased her out here today. Not really chased her, she's walking real slow. But I made her come out here with everybody so she can socialize. And she pretty much just stands there. But at least she's with her friends. After having ducks, I know that they are very emotional and they have very human-like emotions. And what I'm thinking is I'll probably bring her inside at night just because I don't want the others to be traumatized if she passes away through the night. So I'll probably start taking her inside at night. I mean, I hope she pulls through, but this is like the 5th day of barely eating, barely drinking, no preening, no grooming. She's looking scruffy. Daffy is molting. She molded all her wing feathers yesterday. She's getting new ones in, so her wings are very tiny. She has a couple old feathers left on her tail. So pretty much her wings and her butt fell off. That's what I tell her all the time, like when she goes through this. Or when any of them go through it, I tell them that their wings fell off or their butt fell off. Daisy's doing real good. It took her like 2 days to recover, like emotionally. And pretty much everybody was on edge, but that's how it is. Look at Howard, she's such a pretty girl. She's suffered a long time. Her and Daffy both have suffered a long time. So I think it's best just to have nature take its course. Because I don't want to take her... Like, she's on medications and stuff. But I don't want to do anything more than that. I just want to keep her comfortable. I don't want to prolong her suffering. She's suffered, she's 4.5 years old. She's suffered that whole time with egg-laying issues. They lay, it's very hard for her and Daffy both to lay eggs. When they try so hard, and they come out soft. It doesn't matter, their calcium levels are normal. They come out soft. Sometimes they come out linked together. Silas is listening. Josephina, you listening to me? Sometimes there's like soft eggs linked together, like just, I don't know, like a chain. And they plop all these eggs out like 3, 4 at a time. It's just really, really hard for them. And knowing that she suffered for that long, I just don't want to prolong that. She's lived very happy, healthy, healthy as can be life. She's had nice friends. She has nice living quarters. She's kept clean. Their areas are kept clean. Oh. Oh my, someone's jealous. Someone wants the camera. You want it? Is that what you want? I think they want to take a nap. Or they want to eat the camera. Silas, just relax. Relax, baby. Relax. So, but maybe I'll do a narrated video once a week just to keep everybody up to date what's going on. Do like a little once a week vlog. I thought about doing it once a day, but to be honest, I schedule all my videos at a week at a time, and that's just too hard to keep track of. But I could do it once a week. I know, I love you. I love you too. Yeah. Well, don't eat that. Just sit down. I have a lot of new coloring books to show everyone. Let me see here. I have a composition notebook. It's cute, wide line. Cute Hobby Farm. It's got bold and easy coloring lines for maybe for elderly people or beginning colors or maybe kids. This would be a good one. Athena, stop it. It's just got cute little animals in it and farm scenes. There's the back. Get it up here. Zen Quack Therapy. That's yoga. It's got the copy and print stationery pages. Athena, what the heck? It's really cute. It's got some really cute poses. It's got different ones, ducks, geese. I put swans in there because I think swans are pretty. So just another coloring book for relaxation. Here's one called Cuddly and Cozy Cuties, which is another relaxing coloring book with thicker pages, and it does have copy and print stationery pages. I just think I would like something like that. I don't know if anybody else would. And they're just resting animals, all different ones. Super cute. Easy coloring. And then there's Just Ducky, which these are all ducks. It's got copy and print stationery pages. Just ducks doing fun, cute stuff. And then I have the Silly Goose coloring book. I have a couple more listed too, but I'll do them next month. Copy and print stationery pages. This one was probably my favorite to make, because let's face it, geese are silly, and I got to make pictures of them doing silly things like playing frisbee with a dog, walking a skunk on a leash, lounging on a lounge chair. See all that. Brushing their teeth. Some of these are actually inspired by what the geese do, because they're always getting into stuff. Look at that. They were just turning the radio on earlier. They know how to hit that button, so I have to keep it out of their reach. But these are all available on Amazon. I know how stressful life is, and I know how important it is to take care of yourself, and how important it is to have an outlet to help calm and relax your mind after a busy day. And that's why I'm doing this. That's why most of my videos are not narrated, because I want them to just be relaxing. Sure, some people might find it boring. Maybe they don't want to watch ducks splashing or preening, but I do it for them anyways, because you really should take time and just take in what nature has to offer and just relax and enjoy the small things, right? So, do you hear Daisy? She sees a tomato on the other side of that fence, and she just called Daffy over to get it. And Daffy's sticking her head through trying to reach it. Daisy, you're so naughty. Well, Julie Burb, I finally got it. I got Daisy being naughty, calling her friends over to help her get into stuff. They can't reach that tomato. I'll give it to them later. Finders keepers. Daisy and Daffy will get it. But I'm making journals and notebooks and things like that. Most of them are duck themed. I'll take any suggestions, because I really enjoy doing it. I made some dream journals. Someone asked me to make a dream journal, so I made a dream journal. Let's see, what else? The community tab on this YouTube channel is gonna have a post every day at 2 o'clock Eastern time. Tuesdays I'm gonna focus on just a blog for the channel or a fan page, because I still have a couple animals here that people might be fans of, so I'll do that. But during the week, and I think Friday I'm going to use that community tab to advertise the books. But other than that, it's going to be more of motivational, like a motivational post. Let's see, polls and quizzes about different things, just so that we can communicate a little bit more and get to know each other. You can get to know me, you can get to know each other. I just really want this to be an outlet where people can come and find some sort of stress relief or like calming relaxation type, and I want it to be a friendly place. I don't really keep the negative comments on the page. Like, I usually erase them, because listen, I don't have negativity in my life. I don't want negative people in my life, and I definitely am not going to put up with negative comments. I will respond to just about anybody that comments. So feel free to comment on any video about anything. I don't care if you have questions, ask. If you want to know, more about a different bird or whatever, I'll tell you what they are or who they are, whatever. So I think that's Athena in the pool. Salis is laying down next to me. I put the cushions on the ground and they'll sleep with me. Like, the doctor has me on medicine for my heart right now, and it's actually making my heart race. I feel worse. But he wants me to give it a try. I'll give it a try. Wants me to keep up with it for a couple weeks and see how I feel. But in the evening, I'll lay out here, and these two girls just sleep either right beside me or right on me. We had an Amish fella stop over the other day, and he was asking questions about the different birds here, the ducks, and is that Howard? Howard's in the splash pad. That's the first time she's gotten in there for like 5 days. Good girl, Howard. Oh God, I hope she pulls through. I gave her all your well wishes in a shorts clip, which I'll upload that next week too. I usually take all my videos and then Friday I work on making them. And I always have leftover from the week, so I try to put them in. Like, whenever I don't make as many videos, I'll put them in that week. Like, last week I was pretty ill. The weather changed really quick here, and I end up with a sinus infection. So I didn't take as much videos. I didn't want to come out here and spend too much time with the birds. I still spent some time, but not much. Oh, oh, I'm sorry. Oh, jeez. What is that? All right, until next time.